The history of growing millets in India is centuries old. Millets has been an integral part of India's economy. Today we spoke to some of the finest experts who spoke in detail about the millets, also known as Shree Anna. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently announced and attracted the world attention to the growing need of the millets globally.
आज आप देखिए भारत के मोटे अनाज, मिलेट्स, मोटे अनाज जिसकी पहचान दुनिया में बन गई है, श्री अन्न, ये श्री अन्न लेकर के उसकी भी चर्चा बहुत बढ़ रही है। इसके लिए विश्व में एक नया बाजार तैयार हो रहा है। और मैं तो अभी अमेरिका गया था, तो राष्ट्रपति जी ने जो भोज रखा था उसमें भी ये मोटे अनाज को श्री अन्न की वैरायटी रखी थी।
Namaskar, my name is Nikhil. I am the General Manager for the Lalit Grand Palace, Srinagar. Welcome to the beautiful palace. So, as a group of Lalit Suri Hospitality, we are celebrating the Shree Anna, what you can see at my backdrop, as the food promotion for 2 months. It starts today on the 19th at 12:30 and will be continuing for 2 months. I request all the citizens and all the people of Srinagar City Valley to come and enjoy the delicious food, including millets, which is the future for India and the world, to be healthy and safe for future.
What's your good name, sir?
Sudarshan Sharma.
Sudarshan Sharma. You're the chief chef of...
Yeah, chief chef here, sir.
Could you tell us something about the millets meal which has been introduced today in Lalit group of hotels?
Actually, our company is taking initiative to promote millet food. So millet food is actually very used to a long time. Old people, more than 50 years ago, if you go to most of the people, they had this kind of food, and very healthy food. And they will say bajra and ragi, and we have jawar also. So we are promoting that food also. So people, if you go to bar, we are putting all food in roti and biryani. So we are putting all the food in that, sir.
And what are the benefits which have remained hidden?
It's good for health and it's good for digestion also. If you go to after 40 to 50 years age, then you have to start this food. It's very healthy food to eat, and very give a very strong for muscles and all.
Indian experts are also suggesting to the global leaders that this can be a remarkable alternative to the growing need of the food across the world. We also spoke to some of the chefs in this program who spoke in detail about the importance of the millets. With camera person Sayyid Athar, this is Nazir Ganaie, Awaz-The Voice, Srinagar.